my video or to go to the Udemy for the courses, you may notice recently I'm working on this Plenty UML in action set. This is a series of videos trying to analyze how to utilize the UML modeling for the certain the use case and the scenarios, especially using the Plenty UML that modeling tool. So, and today's this video, I would like to show you one of the additional summary for the UML. So UML in the middle, I call that is ontology view on UML diagramming. That is a site, the deliverables or the summary is along is I'm doing the practice learning for some the first the UML diagramming types like I already finished this sequence diagram, use case diagram, class diagram, just started the object diagram. So it would be better is when we have more and more type of the UML diagram, it's better we have a very clear view is on what are the UML classification, how UML group those different diagrams in the systematic way. To make that drawing, I have the mind map to follow up those learnings, but I think still think is using the ontology view will be better to keep this as the logical the knowledge and making that gradually expand as our knowledge graph. So today as I want to introduce you this the started RDF file or the ontology file, which you can use that as your own the reference when you learn the UML diagramming. So first is this is the Protege file for this one, but I show you is where is that is if you go to this Plenty UML in action repository in my GitHub the name. So you may see here I put this UML diagram, the RDF here, file here. If you click that is our standard RDF file created by the Protege. And you can see here is gradually as I will have those evolving. So I put the initial work as already the version 1 and now some updates for this RDF. And then this one is if you open this through the Protege, you can see the primary two reference. One is this latest UML specification is version 2.5.1. So if you click that, it will show you from this umg.org. Here is this documents, and you can also get the PDF file. So which I have read roughly for those is already the very the several years released, but it's still the latest specification. So you can use that as our the learning. So I also put this file on the docs. So here, OMG UML 251 format. These are the 2017 December 5th. So that is the dates. And then that is one. And another the reference I put is is not the 251, it's just the 2.5, but it's coming from this very the useful this website is uml-diagram.org. So here I digest primarily from this way. So UML diagram separate by the structure diagram, behavior diagram, and then they keep these classified on the different lower level. And you can see some lower level diagram type also have the cross reference, like this use case diagram is one of the behavior diagram, but is also the one type of the class diagram, and also manifestation diagram belong to either both components diagram and the deployment diagram. So using those ways, I hope is when we keep learning how to use plenty UML to draw those UML diagram. We know the positioning of those. Like when we learned the sequence diagram is one of the interaction diagram, is part of the behavior diagram. We already learned the class and start to learn the object, and we have learned the use case. Use case also a behavior, but class is kind of the structure. Structure, you can also see that can be treated as the static, the diagramming. Behavior can be the dynamic diagramming. So it can be the different classification ways, but it's better is we have our the consolidated or the common view for those. So I put those under the thing is with a label that you can see here is the UML, and under that is I put is a diagram classification. Within this you have the behavior structure. And you can see here is they have the subclass and belong to those and with a hierarchical view. And they can be the Protege can allow you to put one class as the subclass of the multiple the class. So for example, use case can be the subclass of behavior diagram, and I also add it is a subclass of the class diagram. Then if you go to the class diagram here, so I think is they are putting this class is here, and go to the behavior is use case is here. So it can be appeared in the multiple position. So and also refer to that 2.5 the UML diagramming the overview page. I have added the description or the definition for every type of this diagramming, so you can see that from this comment, this annotation field, so that is you get this use this can be as our quick dictionary. And also I read 2.5.1 specification, they also introduce our semantic areas. Within that is you can also say behavior, structure, and also some supplemental the modeling. So this is a kind of a modeling like is the information flow. We have the information flow diagramming, but I didn't put that link to each other because these are coming from the semantic modeling view. It's not from this diagram name view, but it can have the conceptual interrelated. So I put this as a 2 level 1 group, so you can use this as the different purpose. And my plan is along with the plenty UML in action, the course summarizing is I will keep adding more contents on this ontology. And then once you have this ontology, definitely you can use Sparkle to do the things. So very easy is you can put our the prefix. So let's see the UML. So then you can start to extract all the things, or you can start to make some the Sparkle query to get some information for you. So far, as the initial phase, I already have the axioms more than 100, and also subclass of this 44. So the quick use of this file can be like this visualization. So if you use this on ontograph, you can see from here. So in the middle of the UML, then you can have those keep the breaking down like a component diagramming. If you double click this plus sign, then you can get this, and you know here is I put this the manifestations diagram is subclass for both. So this can be the things is you can starting to see the multiple relations very easily. There's also another type is for this visual so it's another view for you to have the kind of those the creativity based diagramming. So from that is it also can support you to search some information, but this plugin inside the Protege is not so advanced. You can use the vanilla this VOWL on their websites, and then or you can install that locally. Then you can have more ways to do this this visualization. So this I just wanted to show you the way is how you can utilize this ontology to support your work on learning this UML. So again, it's come to this repository. You can see I already have the three the complete folders like sequence. Within that is you have the whole 43 based on the plenty UMLs reference guide. One by one is we have gave you the source code. And then there is generated diagramming, so you can learn from using the plenty UML to deal with this this UML type. And now it's moved to the number 4, so I give you our reference file, and I will starting to practice those object diagramming the demos session. So I put this structure of this in action, the video series, and some earlier video is already put into the YouTube, but the primary the complete video is I published this in Udemy. So if you wanted to see that in the earliest basis, please go to the Udemy to have a try. To is coming to the these views. Then you can have a whole. Until now is I have a lot of further plans, but here is already more than. If you read from here, is more than 21 hours work and 92 the lectures already published here, so that you can learn from these one by one. So starting from the introduction and then go to the every the type of the UMLs. I hope it's through introduce you this ontology view, you have a better control on those logic of this UML. Definitely is within plenty UML is also the capable to draw the many type of native UML diagram. So we will introduce those during the course as well. But we will keep in mind is the UML as our language specification can tell you some base of the architecture diagramming to serve you some the technology-based software development-based diagramming purpose, as well as the business and those the architecture diagramming or the design diagramming work. So keep in mind, and I hope you can try this ontology file. And if you got any interested the knowledge area want me to add into these ontologies, I would like to hear you from the comments or feedback. Bye for now.